Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share these little boxes that I have decorated. The boxes are from bbcraft.com. They sent me some items to review. So here are the boxes, and they are 2 by 2 inches. I used the Elle O Elle vinyl for the top of the boxes, and stickers from the Elle O Elle as well. So inside I also decorated it and added a sticker. I added this really pretty tool that is from Babycraft as well. And then I made a charm to go inside of the box. I have a tutorial on how I made the charms. I will link it below. And then I made this second box. These are 2 different gifts for 2 different people. I added tool and then I put the stamp inside. The stamp reminds me of the Home Maggie Holmes theme, so this is going out to someone. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to build these little boxes. You don't need any kind of tape. They have in the center of the box there's like 2 cut grooves where you can it helps keep the boxes secure. And I'm not sure if they have any other colors, but I got the craft color. And I will link the haul below as well. Show you what the prices were on them, because I can't remember right now. But this was really, they're super easy to put together. And just going to show you some different ways you can use them. So you can put some washi in them. Super cute idea as a gift. You can add some inks. You can also add a little key charm. And some earrings. Put them in the box. And you can use them to send some beads out to somebody. It's a really cute surprise. They look really cute inside the box. These beads were also from Bbcraft. I really like that Bbcraft has free shipping of $25 or more. And that they have a lot of stuff actually coming from the States, inside the United States, not just from overseas. So I'm just showing you the little key charm that I have added into one of the boxes that is going out into the Valentine's swap. And the stamp. So thank you so much for watching.